Hi friends, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare chicken 65. Let's see the ingredients. 500 grams of chicken, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 2 chopped chilies, yogurt and egg white, 2 spoons of corn flour, sufficient oil, garam masala powder half spoon and coriander powder and ginger garlic paste. Now let's marinate the chicken. First we are adding ginger garlic paste, 1 spoon, 1 spoon salt, sufficient salt, and adding coriander powder 1 spoon and little bit of garam masala, chopped green chilies, and yogurt 2 spoons so that the masala will stick to the chicken. Let's mix it well. Now I am adding egg white to get more taste and add red chili powder. Mix it and add corn flour. While adding corn flour, the chicken becomes tight, so I am adding little bit of water. And add little bit of lemon juice. Mix it well and leave it for half an hour. I have taken a pan and added sufficient oil for deep fry. Oil get heated. Now add chicken. Let's cook in a medium flame. Fry the chicken until it comes to golden brown color. Let's turn the chicken other side. It takes 5 minutes to cook the chicken. Chicken is turning into brown color. Let me cook for some more 5 minutes. It's turned into brown color. Now let's take out. Chicken 65 is ready. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel for more videos.